You can't tell how a tomato tastes by squeezing it.
I've been pinched.
Poked, prodded,
Punctured.
and punctured.
We've both been punctured.
Sniffed. In very inappropriate places.
My brother was squeezed to death.
Stop the abuse. Just pick NatureSweet. For guaranteed great taste year-round, just pick NatureSweet.
Can you give me a minute?
All right. There's an amazing innovation to end the abuse on tomatoes called NatureSweet Chariots. Look at this packaging. No one's gonna squeeze these tomatoes. And look at how portable they are. No one's gonna leave these babies at home alone. Pack them in a lunch, take them to school, put them in a briefcase, bring them to work. And look at how durable they are. 1, 2, hi-ya, 3! Snap apart packages that can go anywhere with you. So just pick NatureSweet Chariots, the sweet little snacking tomatoes. Thank you.
Hey.
I've been pinched.
Tomato soup? Tomato soup? That's cannibalism!
What? Stop looking at me.
We've been poked, prodded,
Yeah, prodded,
punctured,
and punctured,
spanked.
and spanked.
You like that, huh?
Cut!
I love big tattoos.
Whoa. Honey, you've got something right here.
That is my beauty mark.
Huh? Oh.